morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. We had a lovely doubt clearing session. Few students were not there. Next time, please try to attend the doubt clearing session. Today we will learn the grammar portion, Unit 7, kinds of pronouns. We will learn about pronouns. Let's see. Learning objectives. Students will be able to state the definition of a pronoun. What is a pronoun? Identify the pronoun and distinguish them from other parts of this speech. Able to use the correct pronoun in a sentence. Able to distinguish between singular, plural, subject and object pronouns. Let's see what are pronouns. Pronouns are words that replaces nouns. You know, now you have already learned about noun. It can be name for person, thing, animal. It can be anything. So the words that replace, instead of that noun, we use some words. That word is called pronouns. For example, I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. See, for feminine, she or he, her, we use them, they. For plural, person, it for object and animals too. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that replaces nouns. The word that is being used instead of a noun. Let's go through one example. See. He, we, I, she. These are us. These are what? Pronouns. Look at Sita. She is dancing. Leela and Bimla have come to see her. They are glad to see her dancing. She is also glad to see them. See, we are talking about whom? Sita. Look at Sita. So here the noun is Sita. In the next sentence, we are not again repeating the word Sita. Sita is dancing. No. We have replaced Sita by using a pronoun. Because Sita is a feminine noun. So we use she. So the word that used instead of a noun. So we use which pronoun over here? She. Sita is a noun. Which pronoun we use for her? She. She is dancing. Instead of repeating the noun again and again, we use pronouns. Leela and Bimla have come to see her. Again, come to see whom? Sita. So, instead of Sita, what we have written, which pronoun we have used? Her. Again, they are glad to see her dancing. Who? यहाँ पे they कौन है? Leela and Bimla. We have not repeated this noun again. Leela and Bimla. Instead of Leela and Bimla, we used a pronoun they. Because why? It is not singular, plural. दो लोग हैं ना? So they are glad to see her dancing. She is also glad to see them. Who is she over here? Sita. Glad means happy. Huh? Leela and Bimla, they are glad to see her dancing. Whom dancing? Sita. Instead of Sita, we again used her. Then, she is also glad. Again, who is the she over here? Sita. Sita is also glad to see them. Them. Leela and Bimla. So, we learned that pronouns are the word used in the place of a noun. It replaces noun. And there are different types of pronouns. Let's see. In this chapter, we will learn about personal pronouns, reflexive and emphasizing pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Today, we will learn about, already we have learned pronouns. What is pronoun? Then, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Personal. So it's related to person. The personal pronoun pronouns are so called because they stand for three persons. It is related to the person, and there are three types of person. First person, second person, and third person. Let's see. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking, first person. Now I am speaking now. I am Asha. My name is Asha. I am a teacher. Who is speaking over here? I am speaking now. So I am the first person. First person is the person who is speaking. The next type is I must be speaking to someone else. I am speaking to you. You are listening to me now. The person who is listening. See, second person. Now I am talking to you. First person. I am talking to you. Who is listening me? You. So, second person. The one spoken to. The person who is listening. And other type of this is third person. The one spoken about. If I'm speaking about my daughter. I have a daughter. She is in class 12. She is interested in dancing. I'm talking to you, but I'm talking about someone else. So, third person. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं? That is third person. First person, second person, third person. The first person we use these pronouns. I, me, mine, we, us, our, us. The person who is speaking. Second person. The person who is listening or whom to the speaking. To one spoken to. किससे बात कर रहे हैं? Second person. You. You are a good girl. You are my student. Okay? You, your, yours. We use these, though, we all use for second person. Next one is third person. The person whom we are speaking about. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं? So we use these pronouns. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, their, theirs. Okay. Next. Personal pronouns. There are three types. First person, second person, third person, first person. For singular. I am singular now. No one is standing along with me. I am singular. I am speaking. I use I, me, my, mine, myself. I am a teacher. This is my scale. This is my screen. This TV belongs to me. Okay. So for the singular we use first person, we use I, me, my, mine, myself. Plural. For plural person, if I have my friend with me, we both are going for a picnic. We are going. If I have a colleague with me, we are teachers. If my family is with me, we are going for a picnic. This is our house. Okay. For plural, now we use these pronouns. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. Clear? This is for first person, the person who is speaking. It can be singular, it can be plural, it depends. Second person, the person who is listening or whom to I am speaking. You are a good boy. This is your scale. This scale belongs to you. You yourself have to study. Clear? You, your, yours, yourself. Plural. There are so many. More than one. Again, for the second person, we always use the repeated pronoun only. You, your, yours, yourself. Clear? The third person whom we are speaking about. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं? So, he. If it is masculine, you have already learned the gender portion. Na? If it is masculine, male है, तो he, him, his, himself. Feminine, females, she, her, hers, herself. For animals and any things, objects, it, itself. For singular nouns. For plural nouns, if there are so many, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Clear? We learned about personal pronoun. There are three parts: first person, second person, third person, and according to the singular and plural noun, the pronoun will also change. Okay, for singular noun we use these pronouns. For plural nouns we use these pronouns. Next. First person, second person, third person. I, we, you, he, it, she, they. Okay. Points to be noted. For the subject of the sentence, we use I, you, we, she, he, it, they. For example, I am speaking. I am going to school. Here, which is a subject? किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? I ना? That will be the subject ना? I will be the subject. Okay. So these words will always come as subject. She is my friend. Okay. Subject, जिसके बारे में हम जब बात कर रहे हैं, whom, the person whom we are talking about, person or thing we are talking about, that is subject. We have already learned subject and predicate, no? So these pronouns are used as subject. For the object of the sentence, we use me, us, you, him, her, it, them. For example, I met him. I met him. Okay. Him is used. Object. Object is it always comes after a verb. I came to see her. So these words are not used. Pronouns are not used as a subject. They are always used as a object. Next. See for pronouns. He, she, and we for the persons. Pronoun it for animals and things. So now we have learned about pronouns and we have learned about personal pronouns. Now let's do some exercise. Please take out your grammar textbook, page number 32. Get ready with your pencil and eraser. 32, page number 32. Ready? So let's start. Write out these sentences again using pronouns instead of the words in colored. See, the colored words, these are what? Nouns. We have to change it into pronouns. Look at Paul. Here we are talking about whom? Paul. Paul is sleeping. Wake Paul up. So what will be the answer? Next. Look at Paul. Paul, masculine. So we used he. He is sleeping. Wake him up. Clear? What we have done? We have changed the noun to pronoun. Again and again we are not repeating the noun Paul. So we changed it into pronouns. So pronouns are the words that replaces noun की जगह जो you words use करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं pronouns. Next. Leela is a pretty girl. Here we are talking about Leela. Leela is 10 years old. Everyone likes Leela. So Leela, feminine. Okay. So she. Yes. Leela is a pretty girl. She is 10 years old. Everyone likes her. So in your textbook while you write, you have to cut this. Okay. Put a single cut and on the top write the correct answer. And see, only sentence begins with capital letter. In between you will not use capital letter. Clear? Only for proper nouns we use capital letters. In between a word H-I-M. H is small letter, na? So make sure about it. Next. I have a book. 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 The book is very interesting. We are talking about the book. It is what? A thing. The book has many pictures. I like the pictures very much. So here, it's not a person. So we use it pronoun. Next. I have a book. It is very interesting. It has many pictures. I like it very much. Are you writing? Do. Meera is a good girl. I like Meera because Meera works hard. Here we are talking about Meera. Again, we have used the noun Meera. Instead of that, we have to use a pronoun. Meera is a good girl. I like her because she works hard. When the girl saw the butterfly, the girl ran after the butterfly, but the butterfly flew away. When the girl, so we use feminine, it's a feminine noun. When the girl saw the butterfly, she, the girl, instead of the girl we use, she ran after butterfly, animal, so insect, so we use it. Ran after it, but it flew away. Clear? Okay. Exercise 2 also we'll do today. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. The woman gave sweets to the children. But dash did not thank dash. Woman is the main subject. So, the woman gave sweets to the children, but children, किसको दिया? Children. So, but they did not thank her. Clear? Sita is a good girl. Dash always comes to school on time. The teacher likes dash very much. Sita is the main subject over here. Sita is a good girl. Dash always comes to school. Who? Sita. So instead of Sita we use which pronoun? She, feminine. She always comes to school on time. The teacher likes her very much. Next. Peter dash are a naughty boy dash never obey dash. There's a full stop over here, okay. Dash always make noise. Dash do not like to work dash. Peter, the teacher is speaking. So, Peter, you are a naughty boy. Second person. Huh? You. You are a naughty boy. You never obey me. You always make noise. I do not like to work with you. Next. Where is Robert? Oh, dash is late again. Dash told dash to come on time. Tell dash to see dash when dash comes. Where is Robert? Oh, he is late again. Here H will be capital letter. Okay. H will be capital letter. Make it a point. Oh, he is late again. I told him to come on time. Tell him to see me when he comes. So you have to complete this exercise. Okay. Quick recap. Today we learned about pronouns. Pronouns are the words used instead of a noun. So, and we learned about personal pronoun, first person, second person and third person. First person pronouns singular we use I am going. Please give me My umbrella. No, that is not mine. Here, I. Singular. Pronoun. Me. Mine. Mine. These are the pronouns used for first person singular. Next. Again, first person pronoun plural. We. We. We had a very good time. Robert showed us around the house and told us that it was ours. We. Us. Us. Ours. These are the pronouns used for first person plural. Next. Then we learned about second person, the person spoken to. The person who is listening. Includes pronouns such as you and yours, which can be used in place of both singular as well as plural pronouns. You and yours. This can be used for both singular and plural. Second person pronoun singular. You are welcome to stay in the hotel. That room is yours. See, second person. He's listening. He's speaking to him. Okay. You, yours. Singular, second pronoun. Second person pronoun. Second person pronouns plural. It will be same. Both we can use you and yours both for singular and plural pronouns. How many of you are there in this section? This class is yours. See, how many of you? Again, same. We have repeating the same pronoun for second person plural. Yours. Third person. The person spoken of. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं? Spoken of. Includes pronouns such as he, she, it, his, hers, her, him. For singular nouns. And for plural nouns, they, theirs, its, and them. Third person pronouns. See those people on the deck. They are guests of his. We are going to interview them. They, his, them. What is this? Third person pronouns. Today we learned about pronouns and one kind, personal pronouns, and you have to complete the exercise question 1 and 2. Go through it. Do your work daily. Don't keep any work for pending. Okay? For the next class, we will complete reflexive and emphasizing pronouns. Thank you.